All right, welcome back, folks. I'm Kalani. This is World Drum Club, and I've got a really cool beater I'm going to show you guys right now. This is from Farmer Foot Drums, and it's got some special features that you can see right there. So let me explain to you what's going on here. So this is called the Farmer Trio Bass Beater. It's got three different heads on it, three different surfaces. They are felt, like a traditional bass drum beater. And then if you rotate it, you've got wood, which is maple, which is great, just a wood beater. And then, super fun, we've got cork with fur. And I'm excited to play these for you guys. So I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna go in that order. I'm gonna turn my talking mic down a little bit. I'm gonna leave it on a little so you get a little bit of the highs, and then we're gonna do another test where you just hear the bass drum mic. But let's go with the felt. Here we go, and I'm going to turn this mic down. Check it out. And now maple. And now cork with fur. Okay, so what do you guys think? I'm really excited about this product, and I want to thank the people at Farmer Foot Drums for sending this over. Footdrums.com is our website. Go check it out when you're done watching this. I want to play you those sounds again, and this time I'm going to turn my talking mic completely off. I've got a mic on the head, on the bass drum, and I'm not a professional recording engineer, so it may or may not be the best sound possible. It's okay, it's pretty good. But don't judge the sound only by this sample. There's other people that probably are doing other recordings. All right, so we're gonna go again. I'm gonna turn this mic, the high mic, completely off, and we're gonna go through felt, wood, and then cork with fur. All right, that's it, you guys. What do you think? What do you think of the three different sounds on one bass drum beater? Pretty cool. All right, so again, this is the Trio Bass Beater, Farmer Trio Bass Beater. You can go find it right now. Leave your comments. What do you think about it? Which is your favorite? How would you use it? I personally would definitely use the cork with the fur if I wanted something more like a Brazilian surdo or tantan or some sort of softer sound. And then the wood is great for just cutting through. And then of course the felt is just like your standard bass drum beater, which is awesome. You need that. But it's nice to have something a little bit harder for when you want to hear that tick on the bass drum, and then something softer when you just want to hear the fullness and the ring, the boom, the body of the bass drum. So I think it's a great idea. And I want to congratulate them for coming up with it. And thank you for watching and being a fan of World Drum Club. If you like this content, please like it, hit the bell so you get notifications. Subscribe to the channel if you're not a subscriber. We're publishing stuff all the time. And if you want to elevate your playing, go to patreon.com/Kalani and become a patron. You'll get more content over there, access to courses, and lots of cool stuff over there. So I'm Kalani. This is World Drum Club. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you in a future video.